you doing? What are you doing? What are you wearing? Huh? What is this? Hey, what? You can't talk to someone? You goddamn bird or something, huh?
Cat's got your tongue?
Man, shut the fuck up.
He's got a goddamn stutter.
I don't have a stutter.
Does he have a stutter, huh? He's got a stutter? How's the little bird mask over here have a goddamn stutter, huh? Come on, say something to me, huh? Say something real loud so I can hear it real nice, huh?
I can talk.
Hey, everybody, he can talk, huh? Look at him go. He can talk, he knows the dictionary. Let's go, huh? He can talk, huh? And where you go?
What is wrong with your face? What happened? Are you gonna tell me or you're just gonna sit there looking stupid? Tell me what happened this instant. Come here, maybe you can get it out of him.
What's going on?
Look at him, look at his face.
What happened to your face?
Speak up, come on. We told you to stop the stuttering. What is this whole stuttering
Ryan,
thing
what
about?
is this? No, I thought you were supposed to be doing well in your chem class. You were taking AP Chem and AP Bio. You were supposed to be studying. What is and why are you reading this stupid book? I literally told you have to get a therapy.
Well, I'm trying, but no one will listen to me. They just say, oh, he's just a kid. He's not a kid.